Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the full 2025 guide on how to use Gantt charts in Zoho Project. First up, log into your Zoho Project account and select your desired project. Then, on your project dashboard, find and click on the Gantt chart option. This is crucial because Gantt charts allow you to visualize your project timeline and keep track of task dependencies. Now that we've done that, it's time to create your Gantt chart. Click on the Add Task button to start adding tasks to your chart. For each task, input the task name, start date, end date, and assignee. The reason we do this is to ensure every task has a clear timeline and responsibility, which promotes accountability and deadlines adherence. Next up, let's create dependencies between your tasks. To do this, click on a task, drag the arrow that appears at its end, and drop it on the task it depends on. This helps us because it visually represents the sequence and dependencies of tasks, enabling you to manage your project more effectively. After that, adjust the task durations as needed by simply dragging the ends of the taskbars. This feature is invaluable as it allows for quick and easy adjustments to your project timeline as circumstances change. Finally, it's time to share your Gantt chart with your team. Click on the Share button and select the team members you want to share the chart with. Sharing the chart is important as it ensures everyone is on the same page regarding project timelines and task dependencies. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created, adjusted, and shared a Gantt chart in Zoho Project. This tool is an excellent way to manage your project timelines and ensure that everyone knows their deadlines and responsibilities. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and tricks on project management tools. Until next time.